I want to show you how to branch chats in Claude. Now, this is a feature that has been there for a long time, but a lot of people still don't know about it. And you may not use it a ton, but when you do need to use it, it can be pretty handy. I've got a chat right here, and it's just a deal that I did this morning. Look up today's AI news and give me a short post. This is just for example's sake. I'm using the Haiku model, so we're not using a ton of tokens. If you ever need like quick tasks done, use Haiku instead of Sonnet or Opus. They increase their usage quite a bit between the models. So it has spit out this article. It searched the web, it found some stuff, and it gave me this post for LinkedIn. Well, then I said, write this in a shorter post for X. Okay, here's the X post. And then I said, okay, write a 3-post thread to go after this. Well, if you want to go back up to another point in your chat and branch it out, for instance, in this case right here, instead of saying write a shorter X post, well, I could just come down to the very end and say, hey, write a longer post for, I don't know, Facebook. But if you wanted to make it a little bit more neat, a little bit more orderly, and a little bit easier to follow, which if you're like me, you can get really lost in some of these chat threads that just go on forever, we can actually click this edit button right here, and we can write a new message right here. Okay, I've done this, and the message that I wrote was write a longer Facebook post. And as you can see, I can now toggle between these two messages, and it's done the Facebook post right here, and it's much longer, as you can see. And then I even added another deal, write a comment that links to my website for that Facebook post. So I've got a brand new thread right here. It's like a branch. If you just think of the master chat, I've branched one to X, and now I've got one to Facebook, and they have their own chats underneath them. So it keeps track of everything up before that branch, and you can use that for the context, but it helps you keep things a little bit separated. And you can do it again. So here's a third post that I had it right for a YouTube community post, and here's what it did for that. So it will toggle between everything below here according to which of these buttons that you click right up here. So the options that you're going to have when you hover over this little message box right here in a thread, it'll tell you when you wrote this. It'll let you retry. This just basically refreshes the response if you're not happy with the response it gave you at first. You've got the edit icon right here, which is what we've been using. This will allow you to edit and then create that new branch. You got the copy, which I'm sure you've used to just copy the response here. And then you've got this little toggle right here where you can go between the different threads or branches that you have branched off of this main thread. So you can just toggle it backwards and forwards according to what you want to check out below here. If this was new or helpful to you, I'd love for you to let me know by clicking the like button and subscribing to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this. I also have a free newsletter down in the description below that you can check out, and I hope it's helpful for you. Have a great one.